Welcome back to Reviewz Heaven. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best yogurt makers for anyone looking to make delicious, probiotic-rich yogurt at home. Whether you're after creamy Greek yogurt, vegan options, or simply want a healthier, fresher alternative to store-bought yogurt, these machines have it all. From multifunctional makers with precise timers to convenient strainers for the perfect thickness, we'll cover the top choices for every yogurt enthusiast. We'll look at models with features like stainless steel interiors, large capacity, BPA-free materials, and even space-saving designs. Ready to find the best yogurt maker for your kitchen? Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. Ultimate Probiotic Yogurt Maker. Introducing the Ultimate Probiotic Yogurt Maker, the perfect device for crafting delicious, probiotic-rich yogurt at home. Featured on networks like ABC, NBC, CBS, and Fox, this yogurt maker allows you to enjoy endless batches of fresh yogurt packed with live probiotics. With adjustable temperature and time controls, users can create customized yogurt, cultivating strains like L. reuteri, L. gasseri, and Bifidobacterium right in their kitchen. One of its standout features is its adjustable temperature control, ranging from 68 to 131 degrees Fahrenheit with up to 48 hours of runtime. This precision allows for tailored probiotic growth to meet specific dietary needs. And once your yogurt is ready, you can save money by using it as a starter for your next batch, making it a sustainable alternative to buying probiotics separately. Whether you prefer traditional, thick, or even Greek-style yogurt, the Ultimate Probiotic Yogurt Maker lets you adjust flavors, textures, and sweetness to suit your taste. It's the ideal gift for health-conscious friends and family, providing a fun and healthy way to support gut health with a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. Number 2. Cuisine Electric Yogurt Maker. The Cuisine YM80 Electric Yogurt Maker is your key to delicious, probiotic-rich yogurt crafted at home. Say goodbye to store-bought options and enjoy fresh, all-natural yogurt with health benefits from skin radiance to muscle recovery. With a simple on-off switch, indicator light, and time reminder, yogurt making is now easy and efficient. The transparent lid lets you watch as your yogurt comes to life. This yogurt maker includes 7 6-ounce glass jars, allowing users to create multiple flavors in a single batch. BPA-free lids lock in freshness, and cleanup is a breeze. Just pop the jars in the dishwasher. You can customize everything, from texture to ingredients, and even make Greek-style yogurt by straining it to your desired thickness. For health-conscious individuals, this Cuisine machine is a game-changer, combining simplicity, versatility, and wellness benefits, all backed by a 3-year warranty. Indulge in a personalized yogurt journey with each creamy spoonful. Number 3. Ultimate Yogurt Containers 2-Pack. Introducing the Ultimate Yogurt Containers, a set of 2 1-quart glass containers designed for anyone who loves making yogurt and needs more space for it. With these containers, you can prepare 30% more yogurt per batch, eliminating the wait to finish one batch before starting another. Each container holds up to 4 cups, making them ideal for large portions at home or convenient to-go options for work, picnics, or gatherings. These containers feature an airtight seal, ensuring maximum freshness for yogurt, salads, veggies, and more. Made from 100% BPA-free glass, they're safe for you and your family, promoting healthy storage with no unwanted chemicals. Versatile and durable, these containers aren't just for yogurt. They're perfect for meal prep and storing a variety of dishes. Plus, they're oven-safe and easy to store in the fridge once sealed. Enjoy the convenience of continuous, fresh yogurt with the Ultimate Yogurt Containers, the perfect addition to any kitchen. Number 4. Bear Greek Yogurt Maker. Meet the Bear Yogurt Maker, a versatile and smart device designed to bring healthy, homemade yogurt and more to your kitchen. With its unique 304 stainless steel inner pot, it ensures even heating to create probiotic-rich yogurt that's fresher and more nutritious than store-bought versions. Simply set it up on your countertop, and within hours, you'll have delicious, homemade yogurt ready to enjoy. This multifunctional machine isn't just a yogurt maker. It also works as a Greek yogurt, cheese, and fruit wine maker. You can customize each recipe by adjusting the fermentation time and probiotics, perfect for exploring new textures and flavors. The Bare Yogurt Maker's microcomputer timer allows precise time adjustments up to 14 hours with a single touch, making it easy to control. Plus, it shuts off automatically with a beep when the yogurt is ready. Featuring a 100 mesh strainer and two 1-quart glass jars, this device is designed for convenience. The BPA-free materials are easy to clean, and with a 365-day warranty, you can enjoy fresh, organic yogurt worry-free. Number 5. Hatrigo Greek Yogurt Maker. Introducing the Hatrigo 1-gallon Greek Yogurt Maker with an extra fine, BPA-free stainless steel mesh strainer. Designed to simplify the process of turning plain yogurt into rich, creamy Greek yogurt, this large-capacity strainer can handle up to 1 gallon, making it perfect for families or anyone who loves yogurt in bulk. It's also compatible with various yogurt types, including instant pot yogurt and cold start yogurt. The ultra-fine stainless steel mesh offers exceptional quality and durability, eliminating the need for disposable filters or cheesecloths. Just strain your yogurt and enjoy a thick, luxurious texture every time. This reusable, long-lasting strainer not only saves money but is also food safe. Its space-saving design allows for convenient fridge storage without taking up too much room. Plus, Hatrigo's customer satisfaction guarantee means that if you're not fully satisfied, they'll make it right. Enjoy the benefits of homemade Greek yogurt with Hatrigo's high-quality strainer. Thanks for watching Reviewz Heaven. We hope this list of top yogurt makers helps you find the perfect fit for your kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews on amazing products. Let us know your favorite yogurt maker below.